Hello, welcome to Sprinkle. In this video, we are going to see the power of Sprinkle tool. You can connect and combine all your data sources through our powerful integrations into a single platform. Sprinkle supports fast search-driven analytics with no code. Let's get into it in detail. Now we will create some business metrics and find the powerful insights. Now we are at data sources. We can ingest data from different sources, like you can ingest data from a simple CSV file, or you can ingest data from DB or from Kafka, Mongo, LeadSquare, Freshdesk, and so on. I already ingested some finance data. Now let's create some business metric on this data and find the powerful insights. In this finance data, there are different tables like loans, transaction details, account details, client details, orders, district, credit card details, and so on. Now let's see the flow I created. In this transaction flow, I joined transaction table with loans table and also casted the data type of the columns as per the requirement. And also I created a cube on this flow table. This is my cube. Once the cube is created, we can see the dimensions, measures, date dimensions. Cube automatically creates average aggregations like average amount, average balance, average duration, and so on. Average amount is average transaction amount made by the customer, and average balance maintained by the customer, and the number of transactions made by the customer, and total credit value, total debit value, and loan amount offered to the customer, and this is the total amount transactions made by the customer. These measures are created manually by using expressions, and these average aggregations are created by the cube automatically. This is how we create new measures. We can create measures using expressions, and also we can create aggregate measures like distinct, sum, count, and so on. Now let's see the segments on this cube. Let's see the client stats segment first. This is the client stats segment. Here we have account ID column, average balance, total credit, total debit, loan amount columns. So average balance maintained by account holder, total credits and total debits done by the account holder, and these the loan amount offered to the account holder. This is about client stats. Now let's see loan defaulters. Here we have account ID, loan ID, and the status of the loan and the loan amount offered. So by the status we will come to know whether the account holder is a defaulter or not. So here the status is like contract finished but loan not yet paid, and here the status is like running contract but the loan not paying in time. So these about loan defaulters. Now let's see this segment. Number of accounts in each bank. Bank QR has 528 accounts, and Bank AB has 507 accounts maintained. And we have different charts here: bar graph, dual axis, scatter plot, geoplot, map plot, and stat plot. So based on our segments we can use the type of chart. And let's see this segment: top clients by average balance maintained, and he will be our top client His average balance is 94,449. So these are about top clients by average balance maintained. Now let's add these segments to the dashboard. Now let's see the created knowledge graphs in the dashboard. This is the dashboard, and these are the filters: operation filter, bank filter, date filter, status. So you can select, I'll select date filter like year in current year, and in bank contains CD Bank, AB Bank, EF Bank, GH Bank, and operation filters contains collection from another bank, and status contains. Now let's run the dashboard. So this is the output of the dashboard after applying filters. All data analysts and techies, they can build flows, cubes, and create knowledge graphs. Sprinkle supports interactive search queries and build knowledge graph without any code. So let's see how to use this search engine. So these are search engine. Here we have popular and recent tabs. In popular, we can see most frequently used explores, segments, and dashboards. Okay, let's try to use the search engine. I'll go with top account ID. Account ID by I'll go with by number of transactions. Here we can see the solutions. Yeah, this is the output. This is how we can generate the knowledge graphs. And account number 3834 has 134 transactions. Now let's see other query. Now I'm going to see only credit transactions. So number of transactions for credit. Let me check for only last year. So this is the output. So last year 2833 credit transactions happened. Let's try one more query. Top account ID by loan amount. So yeah, here I have. So this gives me which account holder took more money. So the account number with 8377 borrowed huge amount of money compared to others. These are we can use search engine. By using keywords in search box, we are able to generate knowledge graphs without any code. So this is the power of Sprinkle tool. Thanks for watching.